In this video you will learn how to enter estimated tax payments on TurboTax. First, open your tax return, open your TurboTax return and sign in if needed. Go to the Federal section, click on the Federal tab in the left hand menu, choose Deductions and Credits, select Deductions and Credits within the Federal section, find Estimates or Other Taxes Paid. Scroll down to Estimates or Other Taxes Paid, click Start or Revisit next to Estimated Tax Payments. Enter your estimated payment. Choose the type of tax payments, such as state estimates, federal, or any local if needed. For each payment, enter the date, the amount paid, and typically entered quarterly. Repeat for all quarters. Make sure to enter each estimate you made during the year. Review and continue. Once you're done, TurboTax will apply these payments to your total tax due or refund calculations. Now you know how to enter estimated tax payments onto TurboTax. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.